Hello again. In this video, we will continue with Insert tab, but first, if I want to search for a text or statement if existing in the document, I should click on Find button. The navigation bar toolbar will open. Inside navigation bar, I can write the word I search for. For example, let's search for the word video. I click on Enter. The navigation bar will show me the result, how many times occurs the word video. Also in the document, all video word will be highlighted. So again, I click on Find. The navigation bar will open. I type the word I need to search, the word or the statement I need to search. The words will be highlighted. Also, it will give me how many time occurs. If I search for a word not existing, it will give me no matches. Another option to find a word, instead of clicking on find, I can use a shortcut. I can click on Ctrl F using the keyboard and search again for any word or statement I want. Now, if I have a word or a text I need to change with another text, I click on Replace. I will replace, for example, word video with word image. If I click on replace, it will replace only one time. If I click on replace all, it will replace the word on the whole document and return how many replacement done. For example, here 16 replacements done. That's for find and replace. As for insert tab, we will start with insert cover page. I go to insert cover page. I can choose any template I want. It will be added as a first page. So here, for example, here the cover page has been added as a first page. Again, from here I can change the cover page, and only I need to change the default text with my customized text. For example, here I can type CSCI 200 introduction to computers. Again, I can from here change the style of my cover page. To remove cover page, again from insert cover page, I click on remove current page. To add it again, insert cover page, I choose the style and the cover page will be added. The second option is to insert a blank page. For example, if I need to insert a blank page between the cover page and the start of the document, I click here at the beginning of the document. Then I click on insert blank page. You will notice now that after the cover page, I have a complete blank page has been added. I can add the blank page whenever I want. For example, if I need to add a blank page at the end, I click on at the end of the document, again insert blank page, and the blank page has been added. To remove the blank page, I go to the first of the blank page and click the backspace inside the keyboard, and the blank page will be deleted. So now the blank page has been deleted at the end of the document. Now, if I have, for example, this paragraph, I have this paragraph where Some of the text are in the first page and the rest is on the second page. I need to move all the paragraph to the second page. I put the mouse at the first of this paragraph and I click on insert page break, and the paragraph will completely be removed to the second page. Now, to continue with the insert tab, the table, we click on table. We use the mouse to drag and drop to select how many columns and how many rows we need, or we can use insert table. Here we can specify how many columns and how many rows we need. We click OK. Now, once the table added, you will notice that two new tabs appears, design and layout tabs. If I click outside table, the two tabs will be removed. Again, if I click inside, design and layout tabs appear. First of all, we need to know how to select inside the table. To select a cell, I go to the border of the cell, corner to the cell, and click. Now I selected the cell. To select a row, I click outside the row and the complete row will be selected. To select a column, I go to the header and click and the column will be selected. To select many cells, and I click and drag using the mouse to select many cells. For the design tab, I can choose the table style. From here, I can use to change the table style, or I can revert back to a plain table. Second, I can, for the selected cells, to apply a shading colors. For example, I need to use this color. And from border and shadings, I can change the border style. I can remove and add different borders, styles with different color and different line widths on each of side of selected cells. For example, for this border here, I will remove this border, or I will choose this border with this color and apply it here. For example, I will choose this style and this color. I will apply it here and here. I will choose another style with another color and apply it, for example, here and here. Also, I will choose this style, this color, and apply it, for example, here. After I finish the setup of my table, I need to make sure that here I am choosing cell to apply to selected cells and not the whole table. Unless I need to apply what I do for the whole table, then I can choose table. But if I need to apply what I did only for the selected cells, I need to make sure that here I applied to cells. Once I finish, I click on OK, and the applied cells, applied style has been applied to selected cells. Let's now naming the cells A, B, C, D, and E. For rows, that's I will insert a row. Let's name here 1, 2, 4. Let's say I forget to insert a row here, the row number 3. The row number 3, I need to add it in the page layout. In the tab layout, I can use the insert above and insert below. For example, if I am in the row number 2 and I need to insert row number 3, I need to click on insert below and the row will be added. I will undo. If I need to insert, I am in row number 4 and I need to insert row number 3. I need to insert it above, so I click here and then I click on insert above. So insert below and insert above are used to insert or to add a new row. Now, to add a, for example, I will name this row number 3. Also, I can use insert left, and insert right to add a complete columns. For example, if I need to add a column between B and C, I need to add insert right, and a new column has been added between B and C. To add a column between B and A, I am in B, so I need to add a column to the left. Now a new column has been added. Now a new column has been added between A and B. To remove the added column, I select this column. I come here for delete and I click on delete column. For example, to add this column between B and C, I select these columns. From here, from delete, I click on delete column. The same for the row. To delete a row, I select the row, and here from row I can click on delete rows. So again, insert above and insert below are used to add a row. Insert left, insert right are used to add a columns. From delete, I can delete a complete columns. I can delete a row. Also, I have the option to delete a table. So if I click here on delete table, the table will be completely deleted. So step number 1 is to insert table. So here I will choose to insert 5 columns, 4 rows. I will name A, B, C, and D. Here I will name 1, 2, and 3. To remove column, we select the column, and from here, from delete, I click on delete column. Also for selected cells, for example, for these cells, I can merge cells. I select the cells and click on merge cells. Once I click on merge cells, so I make it all selected cells as a one cell. For example, here also I can select these cells and click on merge cells. Now these 3 cells become one cell. Also, I have the option to split one cell to many cells. Let's say I have this cell. I need to revert back to 4 cells. I click on split cells. I need 2 columns and 2 rows. I click on OK. Now it has been splitted. And again, for example, for this cell, I need to split it again for 3 columns and 3 rows. Now this cell has been split to 9 cells. Also for the table, I can use autofit. From here, for example, I can use autofit to the to content, which means the size of the table will be according to the written text. For example, here is the introduction. For example, here I typed, for example, CSCI 200. So the size will be according to the text. Also, I can change the auto fit to make it to window. So regardless of the text written inside cells, the table size will be from margin to margin. So regardless of the size, the cells will be from the table size will be from the margin to the margin. Also, I can use I can change the size of any cells. For example, if I go to this cells, I can increase the height. You will notice that when I increase the height of the entire row will be changed. Also, if I come to any cell and increase or decrease the width of the cell, the width of the complete column has been changed. Also, now for the alignment. For the alignment of the table, we have 9 options. We can align for left, center, and right, and top, middle, bottom. For example, let's take this cell. The text is now aligned top left. We can align it top center, top right, left middle, center middle, right middle. We can align it bottom left, bottom middle, and bottom right. So we have 9 alignment. Also, we can change the direction. I can rotate the text and change the direction. These are the main options for the insert table. Thank you.